Hello guys, welcome to the new tutorial on Udemy SketchUp 2025 Masterclass. In this tutorial, we want to show you how we can work with Offset tool in SketchUp 2025. Offset is one of the most useful tools in 3D modeling, which allow you to use the different edges and take a copy of them very simple inside the faces. So about this description, I'm going to show you how it works, very simple and easy. I'm going to click on the rectangle and I'm going to draw some rectangle like that. For example, 2 meter to 4 meter. And I'm going to click on the push or pull option. I'm going to push it about 1 meter like that. And now I want to use the offset tool. If you want to use offset, next to the scale option, this option is the offset. I'm going to click on the offset option and I'm going to click on the face in here. Offset most of the time work only on the faces, but in some cases you can use it by the edges. So we're going to talk about it very completely, don't worry. I'm going to click on this face, left click and move my cursor like that. As you can see, I can draw another edge, very simple, in a few seconds. And you can type how much offset you want from the edges and corners. So I'm going to type 0.1 meter. About 10 centimeter and press enter, and now I have an offset in here. Sometimes you can take offset to the outside. For example, if I click on this face in here and take it to the outside, as you can see, if I type 0.4 like that, I can take another offset like this. I'm going to press Ctrl Z in here and I'm going to try offset on the other faces. So I'm going to click on the offset and draw my offset 0.1 enter. If I want to repeat this dimension for other faces, I only need to double click without doing anything extra, like that. So if you double click your action, SketchUp will remember your last number and dimension and it will use it for new actions. So it's very simple and easy. And with the offset tool, you can generate new type of models. For example, something like that. I'm gonna try to push it to the inside like this. Some type of boxes or I don't know, any type of thing that you want to name it. And offset work like this. Sometimes you can use offset for the edges. How we can use this work? For example, I'm going to click on the line option and draw some line with some different dimension like that. I'm going to select this line in here and I'm going to click on the offset. And as you can see now, offset works on the edges. I can click my offset like that, 0.2, press enter. Now I'm going to click on the line option and close this lines like that to create a face. Okay, now I'm going to click on the push or pull option. Push this face to the upside and the dimension is about 4 meters. For example, very simple, we create a wall in here. So imagine you have a floor plan, which we want to talk about it in the next sessions, and you want to create a faces for the generating 3D wall as soon as possible. You only need to do the offset work and it will done for you like that. And you can try to practice offset on the other faces. For example, I'm going to click on the polyline in here and draw some polygon about 1.4 radius. And I'm going to click on the offset tool in here and add my offset, something like this, for example, 0.2 and press enter. If I click on this face, I can delete it. And if I click on the push or pull option, I can push it to the upside, for example, 0.2. And if I click on this model and click on the move option and press Ctrl on my keyboard, what will happen? Absolutely, the copy will be activated for us. So I'm going to move it to the Z axis on the blue axis. So I'm going to type 0.4, for example, and take, for example, 10 copies. I'm going to type 10x and press enter. And you can generate these type of models very simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If this tutorial is useful for you, please follow all the practices and I'm going to show you how we can create new 3D model as the wardrobe in the next session. So thanks for your time, thanks for watching and goodbye.